Show me how to draw Frankenstein. Hi, it's John with my little buddy right here, and thank you for watching Muffalo Potato. You guys have been writing from all around the world, sending me all kinds of great stuff. That's a nice O right there. Here, you want another? How about that one? Try that one. There you go. You guys have been sending me in some fantastic artwork and great suggestions. As you know, we've been filming live 5 days a week. We've been filming so much, I haven't had time to shave. But take a look at the great artwork you've sent in. That's really good. Listen, don't forget to send in your work to me, John, at muffalopotato.com. Ask your parents' permission first. Be sure to like or subscribe to this channel, and you're going to get Muffalo Potato 5 days a week. We're just all hanging out together. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs to be fun. Shit, that looks great. You're doing a great job.